Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about finding the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean. Let's begin with the arithmetic mean. If we have this arithmetic sequence P, Q, R, if the value of P was given, the value of R was given, but the value of Q was not given, you should know that the value of Q is the arithmetic mean between P and R. The value of Q would be P plus R over 2. For that of a geometric progression, our geometric mean, let's say we have X, Y, and Z. The value of X was given, the value of Z was given, but that of Y was not given. The value of Y is going to be our geometric mean. So the value of Y would be X times Z, the square root. So the square root of X times Z is the value of Y. Let's take an example. Let's begin with the arithmetic mean. The question says find the arithmetic mean of 4 and 18. Find the arithmetic mean. So we just use our formula. The arithmetic mean is the term between 4 and 18. So we have 4 plus 18 over 2. So this is 22 over 2. And this is 11. So this tells us that between 4 and 18, we have 11. And the common difference here is what? 7. Let's take that of the geometric progression. Find the geometric mean between 12 and 48. We have the geometric mean y is equal to the square root of 12 times 48. And this is the square root of 12 times 48 is 576. The square root of 576 should be 24. Yes, 24. So this is the geometric mean. So between 12 and 48 we have 24. So it shows us that the common ratio here is 2. 24 divided by 12 is 2. 48 divided by 24 is 2. So what if between the term, let's say we have Q, W, R, X, and the value of Q was given, the value of X was given, but the value of Y and R was not given, and we're told to find two arithmetic mean between Q and X. How are we going to solve that? We are not going to be able to use this formula any longer. If it was that of the arithmetic progression, the geometric progression also, we are not going to be able to use this any longer. Let's take an example. Our question tells us place 3 arithmetic mean between 19 and 35. Between 19 and 35. So we have 3. So we have X, Y, Z between 19 and 35. Remember it says place 3 arithmetic mean. So it shows us that this is our first term, 19. And our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, our fifth term is 35, which is equal to 19. Which is our first term using the formula Tn equals to A plus n minus 1 d. You should be familiar with this already. 19 plus n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1, that is 4. We don't have d. So from here, we can get the value of the common difference. Subtracting 19 from both sides, we have 35 minus 19 equal to 4d. And 35 minus 19 is 16. So 16 equal to 4d. d is equal to, dividing both sides by 4, we have d equal to 4. So this is the common difference between the terms. So now that we have the common difference, we can get the value of the terms. So the first term has 19. The next term, x, would be 19 plus 4. This is 19 plus 4 is 19 plus 4. We have 23. Y would be 23 plus 4. That is 27. And Z would be 27 plus 4. This is 31. So the arithmetic mean, the three arithmetic mean between 19 and 35 are 23, 27, and 31. Let's try that of the geometric progression. For that of the geometric progression, let's say we are given this sequence. Find two arithmetic mean between 12 and 324. How do we get this two arithmetic mean? I told you before that the formula cannot be applied. What we can do is to find the common ratio between this term. Since we have the first term and we have another term, it's very possible for us to get the common ratio. Don't forget the formula for the nth term of a geometric progression is this. So we have our first term is 12, and our fourth term, which is 324, is equal to our first term 12 multiplied by r, which we are looking for. N is 4, so our fourth term. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So from here we have 324 equals to 12 r cubed. We can divide both sides by 12. So we have 324 equal to r cubed over 12 equal to r cubed. 324 divided by 12, that should be 27. So 324 divided by 12 is 27. We have r cubed equal to 27. We can take the cube root of both sides to get rid of the cube. So r cubed is gone. So we have r is equal to cube root of 27. And cube root of 27 is 3. So it shows us that the relationship between this term is 3. So we have 12. X would be what? 12 multiplied by 3, not 12 plus 3 this time. So 12 multiplied by 3, that is 36. And y would be 36 multiplied by 3. This is 108. So x and y, x is 36, y is 128. 128 multiplied by 3 is 324. So we are correct. So this is how to get the arithmetic mean and the geometric mean between terms in our sequence. Hope you find this video helpful. Tell me what you feel in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the other videos. Bye.